I made a new purchase. And I think it's the most reasonable purchase yet for improving the quality of the videos and especially the audio of the YouTube channel. It is a DJI MIC 2 with charging box and 2 receivers or other senders. And today we're going to unbox them and see if they're any good. Can I unbox it without scissors? No, I don't think so. Don't want to break it, so scissors. All right. I love the feeling of ripping it apart. There we go. Scissors away. Box is not as good as I have seen it, for example, with Insta360. It's a little bit more flimsy, I have to say, but the inside counts. Let's open it. All right. That looks like the carry bag. Some gel. So what's this? An instruction manual? No. All right. Carry bag feels nice. Logo on it. That's it. Keep it simple. Opening. And oh, this feels nice. This is the charging box. Press to unlock. Well, I guess I need to remove this first. Okay. And inside we find one microphone, a second microphone. The size has decreased since the last DJI version. I like the size, not too heavy, easy to clip, and there is a magnet to clip it to your whatever, your shirt, for example. Strong, very strong, small magnet. All right, so it comes with 2 microphones and the transmitter, I think it's called. I will not set this up now, but it has a touch screen where you can configure all kinds of stuff. 24th, I think that is correct. Time, and that's it. Okay. Voice level, sound level rather, of the microphones, which are already picking up my voice. Voice. Okay. This feels light and maybe not as well manufactured as these feel. And the box feels really nice. It's kind of a, I think it's the plastic, but has a metalish feel to it. This is this is lightning, okay. Lightning adapter, USB-C adapter. Okay. And I think, is that it? No, there's more. In the box we have surprise in the bag. Those are the windshields. Okay, comes in handy. And this is what? This is the second windshield. And then there is a cable and a USB-A to USB-C cable. that is it. That is everything. I hope these will be very useful for recording a good audio in the next few videos. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell icon if you want to see those videos. Thank you. Bye bye.